Hi there. Let's take a look at finding your assessment strategies for your course, which I think technically the name is Infant and Toddler Fundamentals. I have the correct catalog number entered here in the WIDS system in the little search box. So I'm going to look for that course, and this is the name that I'm given. So I'm going to click the course name to be able to view the course details. Now, to find assessment strategies, it's not super obvious. At the left, you can click course competencies. Anytime you click a blue thingamajigger, it expands. So then under that, I'll click course competencies in the white, and that'll open up. And here, if I click on performance standards, that's one place where I can go to find the assessment strategies. And assessment strategies are really very generic in a written or oral activity as provided by your instructor, right? So that means you could, as the instructor, you could make them write a paper, or you could make them give an oral presentation. Or another option is in a classroom setting or a simulated environment, right? So what they're doing is that the authors of this particular course are giving you choices on different assessment strategies that they believe are best suited to measuring the student's mastery of the competency. And then as an instructor, you don't have to do all of them. You just pick the one or two or whatever that you feel is best given your current crop of students and the context in which they are developing their skills. If you have any questions at all, just let me know.